Hey guys, I'm from Regrob.com and today we are at Prestige Gulmohar project which is located on Horamavu Main Road, Bangalore. So friends, from here you can take the view of main connecting road which is in front of the project, and this we are giving you the exterior view of project from main road. This project is spread over 3.27 acres of land and carries 5 number of towers and total comprises of 404 numbers of units. It offers 2, 2.5 and 3 BHK residential apartments. So now we'll give you the interior view of a sample flat. So this we have entered into the flat, and here comes the spacious living room. Now moving next, this we have entered into the kitchen. Now we are moving towards the balcony area. From here you can take the exterior view of society. This we have entered into the first bedroom of this flat. The spacious bedroom, which is also having an attached washroom. Skillfully designed apartment for the comfort of the resident. Now here comes the common washroom of this flat. And just next to the washroom, this is the another bedroom. The spacious bedroom. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit enquiries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.